Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Nokia G11 device. Of course, using only home remedies. So remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which I no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port. I think it's a piece of paper that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So at first you need to take the cover off if you have, and take the brush in your hand. Then insert one part of the brush into the connector. And gently pry the dirt out. So only one part. So cool, that's it. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you again.